What is Python? Python is a high-level, interpreted, and general-purpose programming language that was created in the late 1980s by Guido van Rossum. It emphasizes code readability, simplicity, and ease of use, and has become one of the most popular programming languages used today. Python can be used for a wide range of applications, such as web development, scientific computing, data analysis, artificial intelligence, automation, and more. It has a large and active community of developers who contribute to its growth and popularity, and it has a vast ecosystem of libraries and frameworks that make it easy to develop complex applications quickly. The syntax of Python is easy to understand and learn, making it an excellent choice for beginners who want to learn programming. Fundamentals of Python. Variables and data types. In Python, variables are used to store data values. Python supports several data types, including integers, floating point numbers, strings, lists, tuples, and dictionaries. Control flow. Python supports several control flow statements, such as if-else, for loops, while loops, and break and continue statements. These statements help to control the flow of execution in a program. Functions. Functions are a key concept in Python, and they are used to organize code and perform specific tasks. Python allows the creation of both built-in and user-defined functions. Modules. Modules are used to organize Python code into logical groups. A module can be defined as a Python file that contains function definitions, variable declarations, and other statements. Input and output. Python provides built-in functions for input and output operations. The input function is used to read input from the user, while the print function is used to display output to the user. Exception handling. Exception handling is used to handle errors and unexpected situations that may arise during program execution. Python provides a try-except block for handling exceptions. Python, hello, world. Print, hello, world. In this program, we use the print function to output the string, hello, world, to the console. The print function is a built-in function in Python that is used to display output to the user. When you run this program, you should see the output, hello, world, displayed in the console. This is a simple but essential program that every beginner should learn. Python programming for beginners. Python programming for beginners is an excellent way to start learning the Python programming language. Python syntax and data types. You will learn the syntax of the Python programming language and how to work with different data types, including strings, numbers, lists, tuples, and dictionaries. Control flow. You will learn how to use control flow statements, such as if-else, for loops, and while loops, to control the flow of execution in a Python program. Functions. You will learn how to define and use functions in Python to organize your code and perform specific tasks. Input and output. You will learn how to read input from the user and display output to the user using Python's built-in input and print functions. File handling. You will learn how to read from and write to files using Python's file handling capabilities. Exception handling. You will learn how to handle errors and unexpected situations that may arise during program execution using Python's try-except block. Object-oriented programming, OOP. You will learn the basics of OOP in Python, including classes, objects, methods, and inheritance. Libraries and frameworks. You will learn about some of the popular Python libraries and frameworks, such as NumPy, Pandas, Django, and Flask, and how to use them to develop real-world applications. Tips for learning Python. Choose the right resources. There are many resources available for learning Python, including online tutorials, books, videos, and courses. Choose the ones that are best suited to your learning style and level of expertise. Practice coding. The best way to learn Python is by writing code. Start with small programs and gradually work your way up to more complex ones. Join a community. Joining a Python community can be a great way to learn from others and get help with coding problems. You can find communities online through forums, social media groups, and programming clubs. Use a good editor. A good editor can help you write code faster and more efficiently. Some popular Python editors include PyCharm, VS Code, and Sublime Text. Learn from mistakes. Making mistakes is a natural part of learning to code. Don't be discouraged by errors or bugs in your code. Instead, learn from them and use them as an opportunity to improve your skills. Build projects. Building projects is a great way to apply what you have learned and gain practical experience. Try building a small application or tool using Python. Stay motivated. Learning Python can take time and effort, so it's important to stay motivated. Set achievable goals for yourself and celebrate your achievements along the way. Happy coding!